How do planetary rings form? I've always wondered this. So when a planet forms, it's not just one solid piece. It actually starts out as kind of a big pile of dust and gas that comes together under the force of gravity. And then over time, more and more stuff gets added to it. And if certain conditions are met, like the right amount of dust and the right temperature, then eventually that big pile of dust and gas turns into a disk shape. And that disk becomes the ring that we see today. But not all planets have rings. So what makes the difference? Well, it turns out that the rings are only stable if the planet's gravity is strong enough to hold them in place. And if the planet has too much gravity, then the rings get crushed and destroyed. So the question becomes, how do we get that just right? Well, it turns out that the answer might lie with these guys. These are the only known objects in the universe that have rings around them. And they're called pulsars, and they basically dead stars that have been spinning for so long that their gravity has actually pulled themselves into a flat pancake shape. And then the material around them forms rings. So maybe something similar happens with planets. Maybe they start out as just a regular old ball, but then they spin and spin and spin until they form rings.